Does this have HDMI? See, it does not. All right, this is the one. Oh, it has UHF and VHF. That's great. Okay, so that puts this in a certain era. Okay, we're done with this. Bust out the classic RCA, which is a company that has gone out of business. But these cables mean a lot to me. I grew up with these things. Like they're special. I mean, they're not good, but they're great. Does that make sense? No, it doesn't. Okay. Video. Yellow. Left is white. Red is right. Okay. Add power. Sounds like a good idea. No signal. That makes sense because this is probably not on.